Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Part your hair and make 2 ponytails. Then take a little headband and make sure you attach a small elastic at one end. Add the headbands to the ponytail. On the opposite end that you don't have the elastic, take a small piece, hairspray it, and begin wrapping it around the headbands. Make sure that you do it evenly and that there's no gaps. It's easier if you get a headband that's kind of the same color as your hair if you can. When you reach the opposite end, just make sure that you take the little elastic and wrap it around the piece of hair. Make sure you have a small piece of hair left and then just want to wrap the elastic around it. This will make sure it stays secure, and then hairspray it. Now we're going to make 5-piece braids. Part your hair into 5 pieces, and then this is quite easy actually than it looks. You're going to, on one side, do under, over the middle, and then on the other side, under, over the middle. Under, over the middle, and then on the opposite side, under, over the middle. It's not too hard, but it's going to, the 5-piece braid is going to make it look just like a basket. The hardest part, I think, is just keeping it nice and tight and just keeping your fingers out of the way. And if you haven't, please consider subscribing to my channel. Just hit the red button down below. It's completely free and I would so love to have you on board. I do hairstyles every single week on Fridays, and it's either going to be Cindy or me. If you have any requests, just let me know. When you reach the end, just attach an elastic. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, on one side, under, over the middle. Then on the opposite side, under, over the middle. You can put the strands in between each one of your fingers to help keep them straight. And then just braid it all the way to the end, just like on the other side. Now for the basket, take one braid and wrap it around in the front. Take the other braid and wrap it around the back toward the front. And then you can either have your person hold it or you can attach it. Now the back part, you're going to make sure you pull each braid stitch through the other side of the braid that's already in front of it. This is going to make it look like a basket. And try to make sure that the stitches are going the same way, that way it looks like one braid going around. The hair, if there's any hair left on the inside, you can just braid it to make it look not so messy. And then just pin it. Do the same thing in the front. You want to take each stitch and pull it through the same type of stitch on the braid. Then just pin it. Make another braid from the rest of the hair that's left on the inside of the basket. Then if you have any left, you can just wrap it around the elastics from the ponytails and then pin it. You want to take some eggs and then some nest to put inside of there, and then just add it to your basket and then add the eggs. And there you have it. Now you have your beautiful Easter basket made with your very own hair. I hope you all enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Happy Easter, everyone. Bye.